Hi, thanks for coming back to my little crafty secret. For the June edition of Smash Our Stash, we are smashing any type of kit. I'm using leftover papers from Echo Park's Wedding Day card kit. I had bought several of these same card kits to create a wedding album for my sister-in-law, and I still had a lot of papers left. So I thought it'd be a good idea just to make cards out of what I had left over. I don't really have a need to create or really have a number of wedding type cards on hand, but I still thought it'd be a nice idea to create these cards and pass them out to people that I think that may have a need for them in the future. Some of these cards don't have wedding day specific sentiments on the front, so I do plan to use those for anniversary type cards. This last one is definitely my favorite out of all the cards I created. Now I have a lot of strips left over, so I decided to create card panels for the remainder of those strips. I still have tons of strips left over that I plan to use, but they will have to wait for the next project. Well, that's the end of my project share. Please take a look at the description box below to find links to the other collaborators and see what they created this month. Until next time.